Welcome Dr. V.K. Saraswat to news portal bharatdefensekavach.com. One important factor is that the global slowdown has forced many Western countries, European countries, to cut their expenses on R&D. And many of their scientists and experts are looking for opportunities abroad in other countries. As you know very well, after the disintegration of USSR, China and some other countries, Middle East countries, they took advantage of the situation and hired the services of the experts from USSR, disintegrated countries of USSR. So do you think this is a right opportunity for India to grab an opportunity, the opportunity and take the services of these experts to develop our core technology where we are lagging behind?
Yes, I fully agree. This is a window of opportunity for any nation, and India, of course, should certainly avail this. We have taken many steps in that direction. If you look at the Russian breakdown took place in 1992 to 95, that area, and we entered into BrahMos alliance.
Yes.
We started using that joint venture, and the result is a very potent weapon system like BrahMos being produced in our country today. We have all the technologies, we have satisfied all the three services. Similarly, we have also struck deal with other nations, like our joint development programs with Israel. We are also going to do a joint development program with France, and many programs where international cooperation is being sought today. The changing environment, due to the reasons which you indicated, certainly has facilitated this whole process, because there are now foreign countries, foreign companies who are willing to work and readily share their technology and their expertise with India because of the slowdown which has taken place in their country. We have not followed the path of hiring the manpower which is readily available from their countries.
Why
because
so?
The simple reason that the way Indian R&D environment, Indian industry environment works, it will be very difficult for the European experts to directly start contributing. So we have followed instead of that the approach of collaborating with them, where these guys are participating and we are getting the same amount of benefit. Plus, we also don't have to keep the baggage on after our job is completed, because once you bring somebody on appointment, you have to continuously keep him engaged. So deliberately we have taken a decision that while we'll use the expertise available, while use the additional capacities available abroad, we will not bring the manpower unless it is absolutely essential into direct involvement or involvement directly in our development process. Yes, one odd cases, there are cases where we are taking even today some experts as consultants in many of our programs.
From which countries, may I ask you, sir?
I think we'll keep it
okay.
up to that point, right?
Thank you so much for talking to us, and wish you all the best.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Nice
talking to you.
Thank you. Nice talking.